This is Chad Wood, Director of Bands at Staley Middle School in Frisco, Texas, with a presentation on half notes and rests, or two-beat rhythms. You can download this page and more theory worksheets at staleyband.org/theory. Remember, at any time you can pause this video if you'd like more time to write, or you can always rewind it if you need to hear the information again. As always, the first thing we'll do is write our name at the top. A half note should be played for 2 beats. A half note has a stem and an empty note head. In most music, only 2 half notes fit in a measure. And finally, 2 half notes fit in the space of 1 whole note. You'll notice half notes are all about 2 beats. Next, we're going to draw 2 half notes in each measure, draw 4 stem up and 4 stem down half notes. Now, as a reminder, if you have a whole note, it will divide into 2 half notes. As I draw on the single line for my rhythm, I'm going to put the 2 stems going up. Next, I'll draw 2 stems going down. 2 stems up again, and then 2 stems down. Half rests tell you that you should be silent for 2 beats. A half rest is attached to the top of the 3rd line. In most music, only 2 half rests fit in a measure. Now we have a full staff instead of the single rhythm line. And I want you guys to notice that it asks you to draw 1 half note and 1 half rest in each measure. So first, we will draw a half note. You can put it on any line or space, but I put it on the 2nd line. For the half rest, again, if you count from the bottom, line 1, 2, 3, it attaches to the top of the 3rd line. In the next measure, I put this half note on the 1st space, but notice that the half rest has to stay in the same position. Now, as a general rule, if you're towards the top of the staff, that is when you're going to flip the stem to the left side and down, and you can remember DP or Dr. Pepper to remember your general note shape. Then for the last one, I moved it down to the 4th line. So notice you can have rests both in the beginning of the measure or the end of the measure, but they have to be in the same place every time. The note stems can flip directions, and you can place half notes anywhere on the staff. Writing and counting half notes, the rules are going to be the same as they were for whole notes. We're going to show all major beats. The first beat is big. The following beats are small. Rests always begin with an R, and we'll place a number inside it. And then we will tap on every beat, clap at the start of the note, and count with confidence to the end. For more details on counting, be sure to talk to your band director. For the first measure, I'm going to draw a stem up half note. And usually you will see that we draw stems up on a rhythm line because there's more room to write underneath. Now you'll notice that the half rest is filled in and it's pointing up like a hat. Then I'll do another half note followed by half rest. Then I'll flip it and do 2 half rest followed by a half note. First, I'm going to notate whether it's a note or a rest. Notice that at the end I switch it to a 3, and here's why. Half notes are 2 beats, so there's beat 2. The rest is going to be on beat 3, and I'm missing beat 4, and that's going to be in parentheses next to the rest. As you fill in the rest, you'll see again, every measure has every major beat, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and the extended half notes and half rest are small and in parentheses, and as a double check, all of my R's have a number inside them. That's half notes and rest, or 2-beat rhythms. Happy practicing.